Hello, today is Friday. It is 4:23 in the afternoon, right after the close. March 24th, 2023. The weekend report is titled, Can Price Action in Bank Stocks Improve? And this is your weekend report. Hi, this is Jonathan Gurney, Portfolio Manager at Gurney Financial. This post is for informational use only. The views expressed are those of the author, Jonathan M. Gurney, that is me. This material is not intended to be relied upon as a forecast, research, or investment advice and is not a recommendation, offer, solicitation to buy or sell any securities, or to adopt any investment strategy. The entire purpose of this is to educate clients as to the moves we made, what we're thinking, and the game plan ahead. So we hope this helps. Let's hit the charts. Okay, so for the week, what have we been saying? You have to focus on price action, not the economists on the news. Eventually, price action may follow what the economists are saying. Economists are always going to be bearish because there's nothing good to show in the economy right now. Understanding that price action can go against that, and that's what is happening. So what I wanted to see over the past couple weeks is, can certain sectors separate themselves from the bank stocks? And once again, they did. Growth, great week. Okay. S&P 500 was up 1.43. We were up a little over 1%. We were up 1.13%, as you can see. We took profits early in the week. Why do you think that was? Well, I wanted to avoid Fed Day completely. You get 3% moves. They're random. But what is the most important thing, the takeaway from this week? If I were to summarize one thing, what did we say last week that was most important? And that was, we need to get above, look top right, we need to get above 39.20 and 39.40 and hold. Did we do that? Yes, we did. 39.70 is a key level, as you can see right at this key level. So we have 33% on right now. We did not participate Friday. I wanted to see if Friday today could actually hold a key level on for the week. So we literally were at 39.05 this morning. Like, it looked like death. So I just basically said, hey, hands off here. Let's see if we can close above a key level. And did we recapture 39.20? Yes, we did. Did we recapture 39.40? So you have to have some on. Okay. So overall, it's still all over the place, but are we still trending up at this point? The answer is yes. Could we be seeing higher highs and higher lows? That's something that I'm watching. But again, we will have a trigger here. We need to hold at 39.50 and we need to hold at 39.27. 3900 is now tested very heavily. So we got to be very careful. No opinions, price action only. So at this point, it's right to remain bullish because we're holding key levels. Okay. That is the long-term chart. Here's a short-term chart. If you don't believe in algorithms and that they control the market, check this out. We never really went once below the 20-day moving average, and this is short-term. So this is the day we closed at the lows, we opened at the lows, and boom, you're like, Jonathan, why didn't you add? Because we've had these days and you reverse hard. You don't know when it's going to happen. But did we hold a key level? Yes, we did. Could we see some resistance close? Yeah, we could. But overall, it's right to remain bullish. And after the market closed, market is continually going higher. So let's take a look at, this is not to scare you, but this is something that I'm paying attention to. Let me update this. So financial still, the XLF still closed red. This is since 2020, okay? This was the high point in 2020. This needs to hold. If this does not hold, I think we have a problem, hence the title of the entire article. Bank stocks, if they help, could really boost this up. So really today, if you pay attention to, let's see if I can actually show you this. Let me see. So a lot of the areas that I take a look at, this will be more helpful. There we go. This is good. I got in at 39.70. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Could it change on Monday? Sure. But what I wanted to see was when these areas needed a break, the semiconductors have had an incredible run. Okay. Can these areas, if they die, which they struggled today, get held up by some other areas? And they did. If you look at sectors, what sectors did well this week? Overall, pretty decent week across the board. So despite everything you're hearing from economists, price action wins. Okay, so keep that in mind. QQQ, the NASDAQ 100, which is what did best this week. We are holding the 5-day moving average. That is in trend. That is what you want to see. Breadth. What is breadth doing? Again, what is breadth? Breadth is essentially, if I throw a dart in the stock market and pick any individual stock, what are the odds of picking a stock that does well? Breadth is not good. Okay, so you have to tread lightly. That's why I only have 33% on. So risk reward at this point says 33% on. One more chart that I want to focus on to show you why I did add at the close. Again, this is the S&P 500, but based on my rules, this is not bad risk reward here, okay? This is trending up a little bit. We'll see if this can hold on Monday. My guess is that we might gap up Monday and then struggle from there, and hopefully I can take gains into that. So no predictions, but that's kind of my thought process based on how price action is acting right now. The 10 and 2-year yield, let's update this. This is actually improving. It's tightening. The yield between the 10 and 2-year spread is shrinking. As you can see here, this is going up. It's kind of what you want to see. There are some weird things objectively going on with bonds. I'm not trying to hide that. Like, people are still buying the crap out of bonds, but the VIX did come down, which is good. Okay, so we have mixed signals. We're above a key level. You have to have some on. I don't want to press incredibly hard here, but this is good. We're being objective and saying the risk reward at this point is 33%, no more. That might change if we get above 39.93, and I wouldn't be surprised if we test that Monday. If we get above that, it's time to add. Okay, so overall, the levels I'm watching for next week: get above 39.93 and hold, get above 40.12 and hold, and the key is that undoubtedly we need to hold 39.27. So overall, positive week. We'll take it. Again, just to show you how difficult this market was, I was beating the market by 1% this morning. Okay, and because it rallied straight up move today, I lost the S&P 500, but that's okay. I took less risk. I was in the market for a total of basically one day. And so that's why we trade this strategy to say the market is not strong enough to do individual stocks yet. That day will come. That's the only I'm trading this strategy, not because I want to buy and sell. I'm trading this strategy because the risk reward is really not great from a buy and hold strategy. That time will come, but all my indicators still point at this time, even since like August of 2021. It really has not been great risk reward to hold individual stocks. Okay, but that time will switch, and I think we're getting closer to that. If financials help, don't be surprised if things move. So have a great weekend. We had a gain of 1.13. We'll take it. We added 33% at the close. Overall, a good week. There's not much you can do about a day like today. Algorithms take it. You don't think it's going to go that high, but it does. We have to stick to our guns and keep trading the system. Overall, positive week. We'll take it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.